Hello, my name is Andrew, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing of Super Saiyan 5 Goku. If you want to buy this figure, you can get it in the link in the description. And I'm actually really excited for this figure because it's actually pretty rare, and Amazon doesn't sell it and all of those apps. It's a pretty rare figure, and I'm really excited to unbox it. So let's get started. It came in 3 boxes. This is box 1. I don't know what it is, but they're making it in 3 boxes now. So I'll move these over and we'll unbox this and see what it has. Okay, yeah, so it looks like just Super Saiyan 5 Goku's faces. It looks like just his faces are here. Let's get these out. And it feels like a really hard plastic. So, just for your information, I think that's pretty cool. Okay, so we have face number 1. It seems like an angry-ish, smirky smile. And face 2 is like a charging up face, where he's charging. And then face 3 is like a sideways frown, looking down sideways frown. Face. And finally it's just a smirking, smiling face. Okay, so that's box 1. We don't really have the figure unboxed yet, so I think that's coming next. Okay, this is the amber, I think, and this is the box. Front has a tiger on it. Side is just yellow. Back it has the description, and then the side, I think that's the logo or something. Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to unbox the figure. Whoa, okay. Put the box over here. It looks like there's some bags, and this looks like the figure. We'll get to that in a second. In the bags, it just looks like there's some hands and palms and stuff. So in this bag, there's a cross arm, so I guess you can attach that to the figure to make him be crossed armed. Bag 1, cross arms. Bag 2 looks like it has hands, Puma hands. I'll show you up close. They look like Puma hands. I guess if you want to add Puma hands, you can. I don't know why. In this bag, it just looks like normal hands. I'll organize them and I'll speed it up for you so that you don't have to bear watching me organize them. So I'll speed this up. Okay, I've organized the hands, and these hands, it looks like they're just fists for fighting. These ones, they just look like halfway open palms, open hands. These ones, they look like you can attach something to them, like a key blast or something. These ones, it looks like Goku's fighting pose. So you can pose him, cool. And then this looks like an instant transmission. And these look like fully open palms. Yep. Okay. For some reason, the figure, I don't know if you can see this, I'll take the plastic off in a second. The figure has a puma, or a tiger face on it. I don't know why that is. So I'll take this, take him out. Whoa. Put this plastic away. Yeah, so this figure in plastic, again, it feels really hard, and I'm really liking how it feels. The skirt thing is like movable, and again, Puma head. It doesn't really look like he has any hands, but we can attach some. Puma head. I really like the fur, and he has like this blue purple button on his belt, and then he has a movable tail, which is pretty cool. And I really like the detail to the fur on everything. His legs, everything is articulated. As the knees are articulated, it looks like you can do that. It's articulated. You can move his feet. Looks like you can move his arms. He can move his head, his other arm. And then you can like move him, and it's very articulated, which I like. And I'm kind of confused on why he has a Puma head. I know I've said that a lot, but that's pretty much it for the first, for the second box. We will get this box. It looks like it's a ZZS pen holder. I'm guessing that that's the hair. Yeah, so this looks like it's the hair for the Goku. If you can't see it through the plastic, I'm about to take it out. Whoa, I really like this hair. It's actually quite spiky, which I like. It has a bunch of details, and it looks like it's articulate. Yeah, you can move the hair. It looks like it's articulated. Bangs. Looks like these things right here can wiggle and move. You want to pose them like that. It's a 360 minute. Or not, well, yeah. I really like the hair. It's quite spiky. Just keep that in mind. Oh, so it looks like I can take this front piece of the hair off. Oh, and it looks like I can put one of these faces on the hair. Uh-oh. How about this one? Quite hard to get on, actually. Ooh, that face is hard to get on. But that's what it looks like. Hands are all jacked up, but still worth it. And I think you can put this piece back on. Yeah, oh my gosh, this looks so cool. Now that the face is connected. And I think I'll take the Puma head off and then connect the face and the hair to the figure. I'll cut the video so that you don't have to bear watching me do this. See ya in a second. Okay, so I've put together the figure, and then this is what it fully looks like when it's finished. This is the front, which is pretty good. The side. The back of them. Sorry if my hand is blocking the hair. Okay. And then the front again. Okay, so the skirt thing is a really movable plastic. You can bend it and stuff. I really like the hair because you can pose it. Again, this is an action figure. It's articulated if you're worried if it's a statue. I really like the figure. And this wristband thing, I think it can come off. Yeah, I don't know what it is. It's just goes on his arm. You can probably put it on other figures and stuff, but probably not gonna do that. His body has hard plastic. It's really durable and hard. So far, no paint splatters or mistakes on the figure. I really like the detail to the fur. I don't know if you can see the fur, but it's really detailed. And overall, I just really like the quality of the figure. And now I'm going to go get my custom made Super Saiyan 5 that I made myself, and we'll compare them. I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm back with my custom made Super Saiyan 5. If you stay to the end, I'll tell you how I made him. And it may not look very good because this was my first ever custom action figure. This is the front of him. This is the side. The back, that's mostly his hair. The other side, and then the front. So, it's not the highest quality. I'd say that this is really good. And his hair is removable. So you can see it. This is what his hair looks like. And this is what the figure looks like without the hair. Looks pretty crazy. That's pretty much it for this figure. Now it's time for me to tell you how I made it. So first I just bought a Super Saiyan 3 action figure. So this was originally just a normal Super Saiyan 3 action figure. And then I spray painted the hair all white. And then I spray painted the top half of the clothing green. And then I spray painted the belt yellow. And then the pants white. And then the boots green. And it's an action figure, so it's articulated and you can pose him pretty good. and I'll be right back with you. Hi guys, this is the end of the video, and we're just gonna give you one more 360 view of the figure, and then we'll end the video. Alright, see you guys next time.